press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone. How are you all? I think all of you fine. Okay. Welcome to social science class. In the last period, we have discussed the social problems, social reasons for the French Revolution. The French Revolution, there are several reasons which had one of among them social reasons. The social reason have been discussed in the last class. The social system of French was organized by three estate system. There was three estate system practiced in the French society. The first one is clergy, king and the common people. Their inequality was the main reason of French Revolution. We have discussed in the last class. Next, in this session, we are going to discuss social reason. What are the social reason became the reason for French Revolution? A growing middle class envisages an end to privileges. A growing middle class in the French society, new middle class was emerged. This envisages, which means enabled an end to privileges, which was called as privileged society. First and second of the estate system, they were called as privileged society. These privileges, this privileged society was ended by the middle class. How did they end? All these factors which will be discussed, we shall discuss in this class. In the first, peasants and the workers. Who are peasants? Peasants, which means they are also like farmer. They have to work in the field, but they are not the owner of land. They are called as peasants. And workers had participated in the revolts against the increasing tax and food security. There was no food security as we discussed in the last class. How? Because drought or hail, the food which did not keep pace. Why? Because drought occurred and hail occurred, reduced the crop yielding. Therefore, the food scarcity which emerged, increasing taxes. The people opposed this increasing taxes and food scarcity, revolt against the king. Why did the people revolt against the Louis XVI? Because in order to oppose of food scarcity and increasing taxes. But they lacked the means and programs. They were not provoked by any members. Lacked programs to carry out full scale measures. They lacked. They did not know that these are all the things. These are all the things were exploited on us. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ದೇ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅವೇರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. And also they have lacked and means and programs to carry out full scale measures that would bring about a change in the social and economic order. If they had the programs that would bring change in social and economic order, this was left to those groups, some of the middle class groups of third estate who had become prosperous and had access to education and new ideas. The first estate, they were clergy. Second estate, king. Third estate, common people. Some of the third estate, this was left of those groups within the third estate who had become prosperous. The third estate of some of the people, this was left. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಲು ಈ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಲವರು ಹೊರಗಿದ್ರು. ಯಾರು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್? ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ new ideas. The 18th century witnessed the emergence of new social group that was called as middle class group. That was called as middle class group. Witnessed, which means ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. Witnessed emergence of social group termed the middle class. Which class? Middle class emerged, who earned their wealth through an expanding overseas. How did they earn? Middle class family, they earn their income. How did they earn? Overseas. And next, from the manufacture of goods. Manufacture of goods. How did they earn? Money? How did they earn wealth? Through overseas. Overseas, which means the business which took place behind of the sea. Overseas. The business which took place behind of the sea, that is called overseas. They had relationship between another countries. The business relationship between another countries, and also manufacturing of goods such as woolen, silk. Which are the goods were manufactured by middle class? One is woolen, and next woolen, silk textile, and next that were either exported or bought by the richer member of the society. One is woolen and silk were exported to another country, either bought to richer member of the third estate. ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Manufacture of third estate include profession. In addition to bought by the richer member of the society, in addition to merchants and manufacturers, third estate included professions such as lawyers. Okay, bought by the richer member of the society, in addition to merchants and manufacturers also were there. Third estate alli, there is a third estate, it had merchants, next manufacture, and also had, all these were educated and believed. Manufacture of third estate included professions such as lawyers. Professionists also were there, lawyers, and next doctors, lawyers. Third estate professions such as lawyers and administrative officials. All of these were educated and believed that. All of these, those who are how did the middle class earn their money, gain their wealth? Through the overseas and manufacture of goods. Which are the goods? Woolen and silk textile that were either exported or brought by the richer member of the society. Third class, richer member of the society, which means king, clergy, next king, next third one is, again we have to divide, again further divided, three class: higher class, middle class and lower class. These middle class peoples produced silk, textile and woolen class. Middle class people, they sold to higher class. These middle class people items are resources bought by higher class of people. And next addition, merchants and manufacturers, third estate included professions such as administrative official. The middle class, not only merchants, not only manufacturers, they are also included lawyers and official officers or administrative officers. All of these were educated and believed. All of these were of the third estate of richer member. They were educated. They had got education and also believed that. They believed that what did they believe? That no group in society should be privileged by birth. No group in society privileged by birth. All the privilegation, all the person's social position must be dependent on his merit, on his capacity, on his merit, on his capacity. No one by birth, no one privileged. ಹುಟ್ಟಿನಿಂದ ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಸವಲತ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು, ನೋ ಒನ್ ಬಾರ್ ದೆ ಗೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜೇಷನ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಸವಲತ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಹುಟ್ಟಿನಿಂದನೇ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು social position must depend on his merit, on his capacity, on his education, on his status. Merit. These ideas envisaging a society based on freedom and equal laws. It clearly shows that, it clearly express that equality, freedom, okay. No one should be privileged by birth, rather a person social position must depend on his merit. These ideas envisaging a society based on the freedom and equal laws. This clearly indicates the based on equality and freedom. And next, opportunity for all were put forward by philosophers such as John Locke. These ideas of middle class family, John Locke and next, John Locke, he was a famous philosopher. He motivated to the protesters, he motivated to the third estate of people. What did he motivate? John Locke and Jean-Jacques Rousseau. John Locke in his book Two Treatises of Government, who wrote Two Treatises of Government? John Locke wrote Two Treatises of Government, which was written by John Locke. According to him, Locke sought to refute. What did he refuse? The doctrine of divine. What is doctrine of divine? Doctrine of divine, which means the right rule directly from the will of God. The right of rule directly will of the God, and hence cannot be subjected to any earthly authority or any people. My rule, which means divine of doctrine, which means the rule is directly which was come from the God. This permission was given by the God. Nobody can refuse it. Everybody should agree to this. Like monarchical system, the king has supreme authority. And next one is absolute right the monarch. Which were the two important? One is doctrine of divine. Next one is absolute right. The monarch. He opposed He opposed, John Locke opposed to these things. Which are the two things were opposed by John Locke? One is doctrine of divine. What is doctrine of divine? Doctrine of maintain that a right directly from the will of God, a right of rule directly will of which is come from directly will of God and hence cannot be subjected. And next, what is absolute right the monarch? Which means the transmission of power is hereditary. The king has absolute power, he was not restricted by any rules and regulations. And next to absolute right the monarchy, Rousseau carried the ideas of forward. Ideas. Next one is political thinker of the political thinker, they motivated the people towards the freedom, towards the revolutionary activities, towards the changing of society. And next one is important political thinker was Rousseau. His name Rousseau. Rousseau. Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Jean-Jacques Rousseau. He was famous political thinker. He was called as he was the father of French Revolution. He carried the ideas forward, proposing form of government based on social contract between people and their representatives. He forwarded the carriers of ideas of he forwarded form of government which social contract between representative and next to people, representative between people and social contract between. His famous book name is Social Contract. It was called as Bible of French Revolution. Which was called as Bible of Revolution? French Revolution, Social Contract. This book was written by Rousseau. In this book, he told that a form of government, government based on social contract between the people and their representative. In the spirit of laws, Montesquieu. Next one political thinker is Montesquieu. He wrote book name The Spirit of Laws. The Spirit of Laws. In this book, The Spirit of Law. Who wrote The Spirit of Laws? Montesquieu wrote The Spirit of Laws, proposed a division of power within the government between the legislature. According to him, the government power distribute between the legislature and next executive, next to judiciary. According to him, the form of government between the legislature, the executive and the judiciary. Legislature and the executive and the judiciary. This model of government was put into force in USA. Legislature. What is legislature? Legislature which forms the government. And next executive which implements the government policies. Judiciary which gives the justice those who have lost their justice. According to The Spirit of Laws, which was written by Montesquieu. This book which was provoked on the people of French people towards the revolution. And next one is the model of government was put into force in the USA. Already this type of system, legislature, executive and the judiciary, there are three organs of the government. This type of government which was put forwarded in America which was gained with helping of French, gained the freedom from the England. Already forwarded this theory after the 13 colonies declared their independence from Britain. After the 13 colonies, which are the 13 colonies? New Jersey, New York, Hampshire, North Carolina, South Carolina. These 13 colonies were gained by America from the Britain. The American institution and its guarantee on individual rights was an important. Individual rights are very important. Individual rights are very important. The importance was given by America to their country peoples, simple for political thinkers in France. Same example for political thinkers in France. The ideas of these philosophers were discussed intensely in saloons, coffee houses. These ideas, which are the ideas? Legislature, executive, judiciary, and next equality, freedom, fraternity. These ideas, philosophers of ideas were discussed intensely. They are very ತೀವ್ರವಾಗಿ. Saloons which means cutting shop and coffee house spread among people through books and newspaper. Through the books and newspaper, all these news spread. In the coffee shops and saloons, these were frequently read aloud in the group. Aloud. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. Why? Because for the benefit of those who could not read and write. Those who could not, they have to listen. In order to listen of those who could not read and write. Which books? The Spirit of Laws, Social Contract, and next Treatise of Government. These books were often being read in the groups alone. Why? Because those who could not read and write, they had to listen. The revolutionary activities, the news that the Louis XVI planned to impose further tax. Louis XVI was the dictator ruler, absolute monarchy system. Louis XVI planned to impose further taxes to be able to meet the expense of state generated anger to protest against the system of privileges. The news that what is the news spread? Plan to impose further taxes. The taxation was done by Louis XVI. Why did he impose further tax? To be able to meet the expense of the state generated. Expense of the state. In this result, the people state generated anger to protest against their system of privileges. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಜನರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ದಂಗೆ ಎದ್ರು. This is the social system. This is the political thinker Jean-Jacques Rousseau, and next Montesquieu, and next one is Jean-Jacques Rousseau, and next one is John Locke. These three philosophers, their books, through this way they motivated the people towards the revolutionary ideas, towards the French Revolution. We have discussed, one is political reason, second one is social reason, next one is political thinker reasons. Okay, who wrote Social Contract book? Jean-Jacques Rousseau wrote Social Contract book. Next, who wrote The Spirit of Laws? Montesquieu wrote The Spirit of Laws. Next, who wrote Two Treatises of Government? John Locke wrote Two Treatises of Government. Thank you.